So what's going on, guys, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be playing some more Flash CW Industries. I have not played this game in a while, but now that I am here, the game is shutting down sadly soon on Sunday. I know it's sad, but they did add a new update. Flash time. Are you guys ready for this? Run! Run! Ah. But, you know, this game's so fun, guys. I'm sad that it's shutting down. But, look at all these new phase hand, G, boost. Oh, there's a boost? You can boost yourself now? Alright, let's see this. Let's see this boost. Okay. Holy crap. Dude, yeah, Flash Time was in Season 4. Season 4, Episode 15. It was called, yeah, I think it was called Flash Time. With Jesse and all that. It was such a fun episode. Here, I'll show you guys a clip of Flash Time in just a second. First, I gotta do it again. Run, Barry, run! Alright, guys, I'm gonna show you a clip of the Flash Time. I will show you guys that right now. Alright, guys, look, this is the scene right here when he runs into Flash Time. Right there. Alright, this is the scene. Like, he's in Flash Time. See? That was like running. But when he's doing that, it's super slow, guys. See? It looks like that, pretty much. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty much that clip from Flash Time. Ooh, parking garage. Alright, what, you hang up? No. Alright, guys, we're gonna boost ourselves. Nice. Huh. Oh, Flash suit? I already had that. And I played that game for a long time. Boost! Do 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 do. Alright guys, that's going to end this quick video. I know it's only 3 minutes, but you know how I gotta do my game stuff, boys. So, yeah, see you all in the next Roblox adventure or Fortnite adventure. Peace out, boys. We out. Bye.